Looking to level up your woodworking game? Whether you are carving intricate designs or tackling heavy-duty joinery, the best plunge routers can transform your precision and performance. These versatile tools are essential for clean, accurate, and professional-level cuts across a variety of materials and tasks. From beginners to seasoned craftsmen, choosing the right plunge router is a game-changer. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. Triton TRA001 Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. The Triton TRA001 is a unique entry in the plunge router market, offering a premium experience with features you will not find in many other models. At 3.25 horsepower, it is the most powerful router on this list, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks like cabinetry, large-scale joinery, and shaping thick hardwoods. It is ideal for professional woodworkers and serious hobbyists who demand top-tier capability. What sets this router apart is its dual-mode functionality. With the press of a button, you can shift between plunge and fixed base operations, eliminating the need for separate tools or complicated base switching. This dual-mode setup, along with its rack and pinion system, ensures accurate and controlled adjustments at all depths. The micro-winder mechanism enables extremely fine-tuned depth control, allowing continuous changes even while operating in full plunge mode. Bit changes are streamlined through an automatic spindle lock, which activates when the router is fully raised. This allows for single-wrench bit changes directly through the base, saving time and effort. The soft-start motor and variable speed control provide additional handling comfort and the ability to adapt to a range of cutter types and materials. Number 4. DEWALT DW618PKB Plunge and Fixed Base Router. When it comes to a rugged workhorse built for professional use, the DEWALT DW618PKB delivers with power, control, and thoughtful design. Featuring a 12-amp motor and 2.25 maximum horsepower, this plunge and fixed base kit is ready to handle anything from dense hardwoods to routine trim jobs. With variable speed ranging from 8,000 to 24,000 rotations per minute. Number 3. Skill RT1322-00 Plunge and Fixed Base Router Combo. For woodworkers who want powerful performance without breaking the bank, the Skill RT1322-00 offers excellent value packed with smart features. This router delivers a strong 14-amp motor with 2.5 horsepower, capable of handling tough hardwoods, edge routing, and template work with ease. Unlike many others in this price range, it comes equipped with both plunge and fixed bases, providing the flexibility to switch between light and heavy-duty applications on the fly. One standout feature that elevates this model is its digital control system. It includes a built-in LCD display that not only allows you to choose the bit type and material but also suggests ideal speed settings. This makes it especially user-friendly for beginners who are still learning the ropes, while still being fast and efficient enough for more experienced users. The electronic feedback keeps rotations per minute consistent as you cut, ensuring smooth operation and a clean finish even under load. Number 2. DEWALT DWP611PK Compact Router. Compact in size but big in capability, the DEWALT DWP611PK Plunge and Fixed Base Router Kit is designed for those who need both precision and portability. With a durable 1.25 horsepower motor, this router is tailored for fine woodworking, cabinetry, and decorative trimming. While it may not be the most powerful unit on this list, its strength lies in refined control and high visibility features, making it a go-to for detailed work. This router includes a variable speed control, allowing you to optimize the bit speed for different materials and applications. The soft start motor ensures smooth engagement, which is essential for delicate cuts. One of the highlights of this model is its dual LED lighting paired with a clear subbase. These provide unmatched visibility of the bit and the work surface, helping you maintain accuracy even when working in poorly lit environments. Number 1. Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. The Bosch 1617 EVSPK plunge and fixed base router combo kit stands as the ultimate all-in-one routing solution for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. It combines powerful performance with durable construction and thoughtful design, making it an easy first choice for our top pick. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.